On matters governance, the national government will release 454 million shillings to 5 counties before the end of the 2023-2024 financial year to aid in the completion of their county headquarters. The 5, Tharaka Nithi, Lamu, Isiolo, Tana River and Nyandarua, have had their county headquarters construction stalled, some since the advent of devolution, as they have had to contend with makeshift structures for officers. This morning, in a meeting with Treasury and the Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee, IGRTC, the 5 governors signed a deed of transfer for construction and completion of the stalled county headquarters as directed by Senate and will henceforth take over completion of their respective headquarters.
We have assemblies who oversight us, and when this arrangement was the way it was not easy for us to go an extra mile to put energies to finalize this county headquarters.
On the other hand, we'll ask the National Treasury, as much as there are challenges on cash, we will request you to expedite the grant which counties are supposed to be given.
So we are asking on this other side, even when we have taken this over, this responsibility, as much as we are willing also to chip in from our side, all resources come from you. If we don't get our disbursement, there will be nothing to complete the project. So we are asking that we actually this time expedite, because the projects are very old.
So I want to confirm that we are going to undertake our obligations as National Treasury as soon as the PS, the Accounting Officer of Public Works, gets back to us.
Moving swiftly to the current situation in the country, and as far as the floods is concerned, the government of Kenya has today